Hello, my name is Daniela Saldarriaga, Group 83. Let's start. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? On a trip to Santa Marta, I ate lapa. Delicious. What places have you missed to visit during your trip? I had visited Santa Marta, but I have not La Sierra Nevada. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Yes, I visited Isla Fuerte in Córdoba. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? I traveled by boat to the island. Did you spend much money for your last trip? What is fair amount? No, it was just enough for an unforgettable experience. Thank you.